Hi, my friends. Welcome. Today we're going to do the 6 movements of the spine and some additional strengthening and stretching work for our hips, our shoulders, and prepare our bodies for either a longer yoga practice, a workout, or simply to go about our business during the day. So I know you've been cautioned to avoid forward bending if you have low bone density, but the reality of life is we are going to find ourselves in a forward bend, just living our lives. And it doesn't really make any sense if we never prepare for those moves when we're doing our exercise practice. And that's why I have gone back to a practice that I did for many years, and it was always beneficial. It's called 6 Movements of the Spine, and with awareness in an easy flow, we will do forward bends, side bends, and twists. I guarantee it will be safe and feel great. Are you ready? Let's get started. Come to table position. Place your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips and find that tabletop position, right? You'll draw your navel to your spine, relax your shoulders, press down on your hands, press down on the tops of your feet. You've found your table. We're going to initiate cat-cow today from the tailbone. So starting at the tailbone, tuck and then round. Round each vertebra and tuck your chin until you are in cat pose, which yes, is a forward bend, but we won't hold it. We'll move right on out of it by lifting the tailbone, dropping the belly, and then draw the chest forward, look forward and up. Now you're in your cow. And we will hang here for just a breath. This is your back bend, your extension. Now we'll move back to cat, starting at the tailbone. Tuck tailbone, round spine. Exhale. So now let's do this slowly, but continuously. So tuck tailbone and round. Lift tailbone, lift chest, look up. Exhale when you do the rounding. Inhale when you're lifting. So you see you're not holding, you're moving through very fluidly, shall we say. Let's do 2 or 3 more. Exhale and round. Inhale and lift. Beautiful job. Okay, that's your cat-cow. It's okay. Now we're going to do side C-curve for your spine. Coming back to your table, you'll take your hip to the right and your right shoulder to the right. Look over right shoulder at right hip. You may not really see it, but that's the direction. Just sort of imagine that your spine is in the shape of a C. And then come back to center, go the other direction. So looking over left shoulder, send your left hip to the left, spine in a C shape, back to center. Do that again to the right. Exhale and inhale. Center and to the left. Very good. Lastly, we'll do thread the needle very easily. So take one hand, let's say it's your right hand, bring it right underneath your face. That's your supporting hand. Now reach the left arm up. You can look up at it, inhale, and then scoop through. And don't go to your fullest reach, just come on through, feel a nice stretch, and then back up again. Inhale, look up, exhale, and reach. Inhale, up, exhale, reach. Inhale, up, and last time this side, reach. Excellent, and then we'll switch hands. So the supporting hand comes a little bit center, sweep, arm up, scoop through, and breathe. Lift and lengthen. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale when you come through. Inhale when you come up. Let's do one more. And last time, lift it up and release. And then find a puppy stretch or a child's position, any spine lengthening stretch that feels good for you. So you might want to walk your hands further as you take your hips back and relax. Stretch it out. Breathing. Good. So come back up to your table. So now I'd like you to drop your chest and let the shoulder blades come together and then push away. So we're not rounding, we're working on shoulder blades here. So you're isolating that movement for your shoulders. So drop the chest between your arms and then push away. Drop and push. Drop and push. Good. And now tailbone. Without rounding your spine, your neck, head, and spine stay straight except for the pelvis. Tucking under. Tuck and release. Tuck and release. Tuck and release. Excellent. Let's do bird dogs. Right arm, left leg lifts and lower and switch. Lift and lower. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, drop it. Extend and lower. Lengthen and drop. Take a breath. Exhale it out. Let's do several more bird dogs for our bird dog challenge. Perfect. Good. And now let's say it's your right leg, take it behind you and press into the ball and toes of your feet. Press into your arms, lift your chest, and feel a nice stretch from your hip all the way out through your heel. And now we're going to take that leg a quarter turn to the other side. So you're doing another C curve, this time with the leg getting a stretch. So look over your shoulder at your foot. And then sweep it back and take it all the way out to a right angle to your mat. Supporting hand gets rooted and reach up. Breathe and release the hand. Take the leg that's out to the side back behind you. Lift it up into a bird dog again. Hold. You can do this one just the leg up, keeping both hands down. And then release your knee. Let's do the other side. So you'll extend your leg behind you. You're pressing into the ball and toes, and you're pressing out through the heel. Avoid collapsing the upper body, nice and strong. Now the leg that's behind you, go to the opposite direction. Look over the shoulder in that C curve. Breathe. And now you'll take a whole turn till you go to a right angle out to the side of your mat. Supporting hand nice and strong, and reach up. The same arm as the leg, that same side. Hold, stretch, breathe. Great. And then release the hand. Take the leg back behind you. Take a moment there. Lift it up. Bird dog. Breathe. And you'll lower your knee. Curl your toes and sit back on your heels if that feels good for a foot stretch. Shoulders down. Find your breath. And release. So that concludes our warm-ups for the spine today. I hope you enjoyed that and you feel ready to either do a longer yoga practice, a workout, or simply live your life with your muscles and your joints and your spine ready for whatever life throws your way. If you are new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe, and everybody, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And below the video, I bet you have some comments on this one. I'd love to hear from you, so you can always comment and I will respond. And if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Facebook Challenge group, there's a link below the video. Go ahead, request to join. We'd love to have you, and we can interact in real time. Thank you so much, and have an awesome day.